This is a very serious allegation from the president himself. And president, he has the right intelligence that is being briefed on a daily basis. So he knows those who were planning this. Can the president name and shame these people? Let him come out and say, so-and-so wanted to abduct CHEBUKATI. Personally, I called Kibicho and told Kibicho to arrest CHEBUKATI for bungling elections because we had evidence of elections being bungled. But when it comes to murdering CHEBUKATI, those are serious allegations that should not come from a president of the Republic of Kenya, because you are now a unifying factor. CHEBUKATI is not in a consumer basket. Kenyans, who are the consumers, they don't care about CHEBUKATI. They care about their food, because there is hunger, there are no jobs. They care about their rent. They care about poor road conditions. They care about insufficient supply of water, like Nairobians and other parts of the country. So Kenyans are caring about basic needs, money to pay school fees. Those are the things we should be talking about. We should not be talking about how CHEBUKATI was being planned to be murdered. CHEBUKATI alone was declared null and void in running of elections in 2017 because Supreme Court found him culpable. So how many people did CHEBUKATI murder by messing elections in 2017? Why are we caring about CHEBUKATI's murder in 2022? And even in 2022, how many people committed suicide? Even me, I almost committed suicide. So CHEBUKATI, you know, after CHEBUKATI declaring Ruto as the president, we banked all our hopes there. Today, let me tell you, today, Babu Owino would have been a cabinet secretary for education. And education would be free.